So hello again, folks. What I have here is the new iPhone 14. Yes, it's a brand new phone, and I'm going to unbox it now and share this moment with you guys. First of all, I must say the box itself has a weight to it. Yeah, and it's really quality made. Doesn't wonder me why iPhone is known for good packaging. Yes, it's iPhone 14 Pro. So let's unbox it. Here we have two stripes with a show on the direction of tearing. Yes, one and two. See? Okay. Oh, wonderful. Look how it slides. It's a perfect fit. It's almost vacuuming the inside. Yes. And there it is. Brand new iPhone 14 Pro. Oh, those cameras are really sticking out. Wow. It's like, yeah, I could really say a little bit too much. Okay. And there's a display cover. It has a nice metallic touch to it. It's like perfectly made. So let's peel this off. Wow. It really looks magnificent and feels magnificent. But those cameras are just a little bit too big. Yeah. That's gonna be the problem in the future. Use, you know what I mean? Yeah, perhaps not. What do we have here? We have a user manual and we have a USB cable. There's nothing more in the box. Well, that's stupid. I mean, we just bought the phone. How should I charge it? You know, they should make it like an option, you know, when you buy your phone, that you can choose if you like your charger or not delivered with your phone. Because I find this very it's like cheating, you know. So I got a product now, but I have to spend 20 or 30 euros more on the charger. Nevertheless, I bought my phone. Yeah, I have to spend more money. So thank you, Apple, for making me spend more money. So here you see just, wait a minute. Whoops. Just how really those cameras are sticking out. I would say it's like 2 millimeters or 3, yeah, 3 millimeters. I don't see, oh, there's a SIM card slot. I thought that the new iPhones 14s are coming without SIM card slot, but there it is. There it is. I'm gonna try it out, just to make sure that's a SIM card slot. That it isn't a memory card slot. It's definitely a SIM card slot. Yeah, super. Yeah. See? It's a SIM card tray. All right. So I'm not gonna turn it on. I'm not gonna speak about the menus and stuff inside, you know, because that wasn't my intention, and I really don't have a time for that. So you're gonna have to search and watch other videos. I just wanted to share this unboxing moment with you guys. Oh, there's some stickers. Usual practice of an Apple, and some cards and stuff. Yeah. So let's wrap it up. Thank you guys for watching. If you like my channel, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up and stuff. You don't have to if you don't wanna, but I share this moment with you. Thank you very much, and until next video. Bye guys.